What's up, stock fam? I'm back with another video, you guys, and I know a lot of y'all may be wondering, why is the market going down so fast today? Well, before we get into this news article, you guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that bell, turn on your post notification so you can be notified when your girl posts another video. And do not forget, I will be doing a $500 cash giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers. The only thing you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and watch the videos, you guys. Okay, now stocks are hit hard by virus, election, and the next test will be Apple and big tech earnings, you guys. And y'all know the virus cases are going up and the election is like less than a week now, you guys. But we're going to get into this order so you guys will get some understanding on why the market is going down. Okay, key points. Tech was one of the worst performing sectors in Wednesday's sell-off, and it could be a battleground for the market when big tech favorites like Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet report earnings Thursday. So you guys, make sure if you're investing in these companies, make sure you are up to date on these earnings, because these earning reports can cause these stocks to go down also. And of course, if they met their earnings or surpassed them, they will go up. So y'all just keep an eye out on your stocks if you're invested in any of these companies that earning reports will be coming out Thursday. Stocks skidded on worries about the coronavirus, which has now spread so much that European leaders are locking down their economies again. So y'all, hopefully we don't have to have another lockdown, but y'all already know that these European leaders are locking down their economy. So that is another reason, and you need to be on the lookout. Investors also fear the U.S. election will have no clear outcome after Tuesday's vote, leading to days of uncertainty and volatile markets. Okay. So the election, they saying that the elections will affect the market, and hopefully it don't, you guys, but we will see after the election day. So there's a lot of things coming up in the next week or so, you guys. The stock market is selling off hard on rising virus cases and election uncertainties, and it faces another big test Thursday when big tech favorites report earnings. I think it may be we're beginning to see a sea change about tech's valuations, said Peter Brookver, chief investment strategist at Bleakley Advisory Group. He noted that Microsoft earnings were better than expected Tuesday, yet its just in-line guidance did not stop its stocks from declining about 4% Wednesday in the market sell-off. So, you guys, let me tell y'all, investors are reacting to all of this news and they're starting to sell. But you guys, stock fam, do not get discouraged and start selling your shares, because guess what? Just like the market is going down, it can very well go back up. Now, if you want to pause this video and read this article, you can also do that. Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, and Facebook, which have led the market's gain, report earnings after Thursday's closing bell. Twitter also reports Thursday afternoon the group has a lot of sway over the market. Apple, for instance, with $1.9 trillion market cap, is included in the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ. Booker said he's beginning to see signs of a change in attitude about the group of large tech and social media names. I'm seeing signs of it, but we have to see how the market responds when these very expensive stock reports. The bar is high. We know that, but even if you exceed that bar, it seems valuations are beginning to matter. So, y'all, the market is dropping. But like I always say, stock fam, when the market drops, that's when you invest if you haven't, and reinvest if you already have. The Dow was down more than 800 points or 3% Wednesday afternoon as virus cases surged in the U.S. and France and Germany plan for partial lockdowns to stop the spread there. The looming U.S. presidential election is another source of angst as investor worries there may be no clear outcome Tuesday night. If the market can't react positively to Facebook, Amazon, Google, and Apple, what is going to react positively to? Plus, people probably won't have much conviction even if the reports are good. They still want to see what happened in the following week with the election, said Scott Regler, partner with T3Live.com. Microsoft's sell-off was clearly a warning for the tech. So, man, y'all, let me tell y'all something. We will see if this election caused the market to crash, you guys. Now, y'all probably already seen as well as I have that so-called after the election, if a certain person wins, the stock market will crash. But you guys do not panic. Like I said, just like the stock market crashed earlier this year in March, April, up in there, guess what? You start buying. Because it will go back up. As soon as Microsoft got sold on strong news yesterday, some of the FOMO fears of missing out left these stocks. That's when you started to see sellers come back to big cap tech, Regler said. If the market goes low enough Thursday and the tech earnings are strong after the bell, that could be the setup for an oversold bounce. The NASDAQ was off 3%, shedding more than 335 points. The S&P 500 was off just about 100 points, sliding under the key 3,300 level. Tech was among the worst hit of the major sectors, down 3.4%. Communication services fell 3.5%. The sectors include Facebook and Alphabet. And if you do not know what Alphabet, that is pretty much Google, you guys. Just to throw that out there. This is just a perfect negative storm right now, said Julian Emanuel, head of equity and derivative, whatever that word is. But hey, strategies at BTIG. He expects the sell-off to continue into the election and after if there's no winner. Okay, you guys, so what they're saying is they expect for the stock market to go down even more. They are expecting it to go down even more after the election. Price's reaction to amongst all of FANG reporting after the bell Thursday could make this more extreme, he said. FANG stocks include Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Apple, but the group of high flyers has also come to include Microsoft and Apple. Downside momentum seems to be building here. People just want out, said Chris Rutkey, chief financial economist at MUFG Union Bank. Rutkey points out that the sell-off is happening as big tech CEOs like Twitter, Jack Dorsey testified before Congress, but traders did not tie the decline in NASDAQ to that hearing. It's the increases in virus and some of the tech leaders has fallen off. We never really regained back to September, and those September's highs were all made on tech, Rutkey said. So you guys, they're saying the increases in the virus cases pretty much is making the stock market go down because people are selling. And me, I'm not going to sell any of my stock just because of, the news and the media, because like I always say, you guys, the news and the media changes the market. Emmanuel said the selling could have a ways to go. For the time being, we think the pressure will remain on the market with an eventual retest of the 200-day moving average either before or after the vote. He said the 200-day of the S&P 500 is just about 3,130. The 200-day moving average is based on an average of the last 200 closing values, and it is often seen as a sign of support. Regler said if the S&P 500 can't recover its 100-day moving average at 3,300, it will likely test the 200-day, which is also the same level as the June lows. So it was quite low, you guys. It's all of these things coming together. It's basically the new certainties that the virus is accelerating sharply and the certainties that we're not going to get any stimulus before the election, said Emmanuel. Well, that is also true, you guys, which, the virus cases are going up, and there seem to not be anyone getting any stimulus no time soon, you guys. They've been working on that package for about a month or so now, and guess what? They have not came to a conclusion yet, which that doesn't likely to be going to happen before the election. So I think that stimulus package is just out the window at this point. But if you disagree, comment below and let me know what you think. Some strategists expect a blue wave with a Democratic sweep of Congress and White House. But the election is difficult to call with early voting already in high numbers. Well, yeah, early voting is already pretty much high, you guys. And I say if you haven't voted, make sure you go and vote. If we see an election outcome that very few people are thinking about, the Democrats winning the Senate and House and President Trump winning the White House, you're going to have a massive rally, said Emmanuel. That combination would suggest a very large stimulus program, since it is the Senate Republicans who would not agree to a large spending package. So there you have it, you guys. Now you can understand why the market is going down today. You got the virus cases going up, no stimulus package. I mean, all the investors are reacting to all this news. They're starting to sell. And y'all, as long as investors are selling, the stock market will continue to go down. And of course, like I just read, they believe that the sell-off will continue to be going on after the election. So therefore, you guys hold your shares and let's find out what's really going to happen after the election. If what's happening is what you don't expect to happen, you guys, what I can tell you is this: while the stock market is dropping, get in on the dip, because it will go back up. And now, you guys, we're gonna get over to Cash App so y'all can see my gains for today. Okay, you guys, here's my portfolio. And before you invest in any stock, you guys, please do your research, stock fam, because investing in the stock market, you can lose money and you can also gain money. And don't forget, you guys, I will be doing a $500 cash giveaway when I reach 5,000 subscribers. The only thing you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and watch the videos, you guys. Okay. Overstock, I've gained $127.91. Beyond Meat, $68.44. Penn National Gaming, $52.39. Caesars Entertainment, $41.78. Antero Resources, $38.81. Antero Midstream, $28.06. Plug Power, $24.23. Now, as y'all can see, my gains has dropped tremendously, you guys, because I was gaining. Board Gaming, $21.22. Ford, $13.51. Hertz, $9.25. MGM Resorts, $8.88. Under Armour, $6.96. Uber, $6.73. Barrick Gold, $6.73. United States Steel, $6.21. Now, you guys stick around because I'm going to show you what stock dropped the most today and what stock really did well today. Hopefully, if there were any. Zigga, $5.80. Carnival, $4.39. Norwegian Cruise Line, $3.96. Canopy Growth, $3.29. General Electric, $2.76. Now, you guys, as y'all can see, I do have gains still, so I'm very thankful for that. So if you're gaining, hit that like button. Let your girl know you still got some gains over there. American Airlines, $1.41. Now that you've seen my positive stock fam, let's get into the negative stock, because y'all know we lost some money today. Energy Transfer, I've lost $1.13. Spirit Airlines, $1.66. Tilray, $2.01. Chronos Group, $2.20. XPEG, $2.46. Liberty Global, $2.88. Numer Group, $7.23. Aurora Cannabis, $7.26. GlaxoSmith, $8.44. Tesla, $9.01. AMC, $14.04. Apple, $18.63, you guys. Whitening Petroleum also is going down, $136.53. Now, if you're not able to lose any money, you guys, please do not invest money you're not able to lose in the stock market. As you can see, you can lose money. But let me tell y'all this. Your negative stocks, is best to reinvest in your negative stock because you get more shares once those share prices go down. Just remember that. And as long as your positive outweigh your negative and you're still gaining, it is okay to have negative stock. So we're going to go into the total percentage, the daily percentage change today, you guys, and let's see what stock on my portfolio really. Okay, Hertz went up 11.11% today, you guys, which is kind of good. So, yeah, you got some gains in, you guys. So, if you invested in Hertz about, I would say, $8.57, it was $1.50, you got some gains because, hey, it's almost at $2, which y'all see I invested $12 and my gain is $9.25. I have 11 shares and the price per share is $1.80. Now that is the key to investing. Always invest on the dip. So therefore, when the stock goes up, just like Hertz went up, you will gain some money. And y'all, let's see my worst performing stock of today, since all of them pretty much just went down the drain, you guys. I'm talking about every stock. Carnival did the worst today. It went down 10.61%. So you guys, if you've seen Carnival or been watching Carnival, and if you wanted to invest in Carnival, you guys, always invest on the dip. As you can see, Carnival has been going down. And if you caught it about 250 or 255, hey, that's that dip, you guys. That's the dip. And y'all, just because the market is going down today, that doesn't necessarily saying that it will keep going down forever, because that's not the case, you guys. The market will go back up. Now, let's get into these gains. I've invested $1,037.24. My total gain is $269.16. My overall balance is $1,306.40. Now today, you guys, I've lost a total of $44.35, which is horrible. And y'all, as y'all can see right here, I was at $51.97, which was my lowest today. I lost that much money, you guys. And of course, y'all already know that I was losing money yesterday, but I did gain some back. And y'all, before the market even opened up, the stocks were going down. And that's why I say do not invest before the market open, because you could have lost some money today, y'all. You could have lost some money. Even though it went down, it tried to go back up, but y'all, it kept dropping and it kept dropping. At this point right here, 236, I was like, okay, it's going back up. But guess what? After that, it dropped down some more. So today's loss was almost $50, you guys. So hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, but we will see. And y'all stick around, because y'all know your girl gonna upload another video soon. Thanks for watching my video, you guys. I really do appreciate the support, and keep coming back for more. And I will be back with another video soon. Peace.